Welcome back to Q Shine's blog, where it's a flavor party going on. Woo! Do I have a good one for y'all today? Today we're going to be having glazed candied yams with a twist. Yeah, that's right. Glazed candied yams with a twist. These ain't your grandma's candy yams. We gonna put a twist on it, baby. And they sure gonna be good. Mmm, mmm, mmm. Now with the holiday approaching, many are trying to figure out what sides they gonna have with their meal. Now to start off, get yourself 5 large yams. Peel them real good with a paring knife or a potato peeler. Afterwards, they should be bright orange, pretty, and have no black spots. Make sure you run a little water over them after. And slice them into circles. Now that's my preference. You can dice yours. Go right on ahead. Now that brown sugar, almond extract, and lemon juice, candy just right. Now that's the twist that's gonna set these yams off. Oh, and don't forget that good old quality butter and spices mixing with it too. Ooh, they bubbling, they sticky, they glossy. Ooh, I can't wait. Now once they fork tender, serve them up and enjoy. It ain't nothing else to do but enjoy. Now, if you like these delicious meals, come on back to Q Shine's block and bring a friend or a family member. Like, comment, share, subscribe. Can't wait to see you back. Bye-bye.